Permutations between two lists of unequal length. I'm having trouble wrapping my head around the algorithm I'm trying to implement. I have two lists and want to take particular combinations from the two lists. Here's an example. The output in this case would be: I might have more names than numbers, i.e. len names is greater than or equal to len numbers. Here's an example with 3 names and 2 numbers. Output:
Note, this answer is for the specific question asked above. If you are here from Google and just looking for a way to get a Cartesian product in Python, itertools.product or a simple list comprehension may be what you are looking for. See the other answers. Suppose len list 1 is greater than or equal to len list 2. Then what you appear to want is to take all permutations of length len list 2 from list 1 and match them with items from list 2. In Python, returns
The simplest way is to use itertools.product.
May be simpler than the simplest one above. Without any import.
I was looking for a list multiplied by itself with only unique combinations, which is provided as this function. Here is an excerpt from the Python docs on itertools that might help you find what you're looking for.
If you wanted to see more, please consider subscribing.